Hey, this is Jason Robinson from Illustration by Design, and this is another unboxing video. And this is a comic that I've been waiting for quite a while now, almost a year, and it's not Cyberfrog. This is, as you can probably tell from that address right there, is from Cautionary Comics. And it's actually the first comic book that I bought from the whole ComicsGate thing that's going on, the whole ComicsGate movement. And it is, I believe, let me zoom back out, Ravage, Kill All Men. And I am very excited to open this and take a look at it, finally. Very excited. Hold on, let me zoom out more. Bum, 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 bum. And actually, I first got a notice that this was mailed back in mid-May, like around May 16th, and I hadn't received it, even though I got a tracking number for it. And I checked the tracking number, and for whatever reason, it just disappeared off the face of the earth. The tracking number stated that the comic book had left the facility, but then from that point on, the tracking number didn't show anything. The comic book just disappeared. So I finally contacted Ben Hennessy, the writer, via customer support, and he got right on it, and he sent me a new copy right away. So thank you very much, Ben. I really appreciate it. And yeah, he was Johnny on the spot, or Benjamin on the spot in this case. So let me see what it is that I got sent to me. I don't even remember what I ordered outside of the actual comic book. And as usual, it is not as usual, but as a very good surprise, it is in a Gemini mailer, and it came in really good shape. So again, thank you, Ben. Let's see here. All right, here we go. Actually, let me do this here so I can use it as a backdrop. Let's see, Ravage. Oh, I got two copies. Oh, cool. Okay, this is a copy that I ordered with this cover. I'm not sure who the artist is. It says oops, sorry, I'm knocking stuff over. Cover says here I can't read it. It's all blurry. Hold on. Ooh. Is it gonna focus? Focus. There we go. Vigante? I don't know who that is. So, but love the artwork. Looks really cool. Really nice work. So, let's see. Cautionary Comics, Ravage, Kill All Men. Very nice. Written by Chuck Dixon and Benjamin Henderson. Okay, I guess Benjamin Henderson. Why did I say Hennessy? Let's see. Jimbo Salgado and Brian Majnaye. I'm sorry. I'm really bad with pronunciations. I apologize to everyone involved. Yeah. So let me look at this here. I think these are both number ones. Again, this is the copy that I ordered, and I think another copy got sent out as a. Everyone got a second copy as sort of like a tier bonus. I think if it reached a certain point in terms of sales. So I'll put that one aside. I'll look at this one. Ooh, nice. The back cover. Here's the back cover. Very nice. Ooh, ouch. That's vicious. Okay. Well, if you gotta go, might as well have some gorgeous, half-naked woman lop your head off with a really crude weapon. Neat. Who drew this? I have no idea. Okay. Art by MPX, whoever that is. MPX Comics. Okay, let's take a look at this here. I'm just gonna flip through it. Oops, pages are sticking together. It's interesting. All right. Eric Weathers, letterer. Chuck Dixon, writer. Benjamin Henderson, writer. Jimbo Salgado, artist. And Brian Arful Magnier, colorist. Oh, Mike Barron's the editor. Oh, cool. Okay, cool. And Benjamin Henderson's editor-in-chief. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. I'm just going to flip through it. I'll read it later. But the art looks pretty good. I'm not familiar with the artist. He might be new. So, let me just sit down here, move on my stuff. Let's see. Let me get my glasses on so I can actually see what I'm doing. All right, here. Interesting. Okay, this is interesting. That lion looks huge compared to him. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but interesting. The art's decent. I mean, it's good. I mean, I like he has good backgrounds here. Looks good. It's good storytelling. Cool. Neat. All right. Let's see. Interesting. Paper. What is... Interesting. The paper, just noticing, it's this. I think it's newsprint. It doesn't feel like modern day comic book paper. It feels like old school newsprint. It's interesting. Huh. Okay, interesting. Okay, we get to the hot Amazon women. Interesting. Okay. Huh. Okay, this is funny. I'm just flipping through. I'm reading some of the dialogue. I don't know if you can see this. I like this line here. Bathe them and anoint them, and bring the larger one to me. Yes, my queen. These guys are like, whoop, whoop. Cool. Funny. Interesting. Okay. I'll use them back out again. Okay, this, I mean, it seems like a standard, I haven't read it, so I don't know how good the story is. I'm just flipping through it. It looks like the standard sort of Amazon, sort of one woman thing where, men are bad, men are evil, and, Snoo. Was it Snoo or whatever from, Futurama, Amazon women type thing. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to reading it. Like I said, I ordered this a year ago, and it's I'm glad it's finally here. And yeah, this will be fun to read. It looks like a fun read. So cool, neat. Have some character studies. Oh, by Nolan, the guy who created Bane with Chuck Dixon. So that's cool. Very cool. Oh, neat! An ad for the Futurist by Mitch Breitweiser and Butch Geis. Very cool. Oh, neat. Okay, some more stuff too. Blood from a graphic novel by adapted by Chuck Dixon and Brett Smith. That's neat. What else is in here? Operation Zephyr. Okay, not familiar with it, but looks interesting. And then, I guess on the back cover you have Earthbound, which I'm not familiar with, but it's also from Cautionary Comics. So, cool. Well, that's I guess a rough unboxing of Ravage Kill All Men. It was the first ComicsGate book that I ordered, and it's taken a while to get here, but obviously from the cover, I'm not expecting a Tale of Two Cities from it. It's a goofy men's adventure with Amazon women. So that's always that's what it looks like. So I'm happy. Looks good. Looks cool. I don't think I'll be disappointed once I read it. So it'll be fun. It's Chuck Dixon. How can it be bad? So anyway, that's the phone's going off. That's my unboxing for Ravage Kill All Men. Thanks a lot, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay? Bye. Hey, want some commissioned art of your own? Just direct message me on Twitter or Facebook for prices and more information.